TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we have markets escalating to the downside. S&P's right now down a solid 60 points. That's 1.7% in the red, trading at 33.21. NASDAQ off 285. That's 2.5% in the red. We're approaching the lows we had last Friday, 10,924 in the NASDAQ, currently trading right now at 10,968. The Dow off 377 points. That's 1.3% in the red, trading at 27,584. And you got the Russell off a solid 1.7% as well. Jumping around to commodities, crude off a bit, off about 18 cents at $39.99. We got gold off $21 at $19.49. Silver off 53 cents at $26.94. And notes and bonds, a little bit of higher price and lower yield. You see that rise, folks. The 10-year right now up about 10 ticks at 139.23. We got the 30-year right now up a full point and 6 ticks at 177.14. You're looking at a 10-year yield of under 0.65%, 0.646 to be exact for that 10-year yield. The VIX this morning, as we're seeing a spike downward in the market, the VIX a 28 handle, 28.54 right now. And we'll jump around to some of the headlines, folks. Top headline you'll see this morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Weekly jobless claims, 860,000. Market was looking for about 875,000. When you get into the continuing claims number, continuing claims pretty decent, falling by 916,000 to 12.63 million. All right, over in England, Bank of England steps up the negative rates work as the threats to the economy multiply. So for the first time, you got multiple threats to the outlook looming, with the Bank of England beginning structured engagement, and officials, they're going to look at negative interest rates. They're looking into it. They're looking into how they apply it, and that may be coming down the line. And if you want to see how that affects the pound, folks, pound US dollar, check out that action this morning from about 129.8 right now down a solid penny to 128.8 on the pound. Checking back in on the S&Ps right now, down 58 points. Should be an interesting open, folks. We got about 28 minutes till that opening bell, and putting some context here on a daily basis, the highs of 35.87. We're now approaching the lower levels we had on September 9th, the low of 32.95. September 11th, the low of 32.98. We're within about 25 points of that level. Stay tuned, folks. We got a treat. Our man Steve Rhodes, he's coming up live, filling in for Larry at 9 o'clock. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market at 11. Basil Chapman back at noon. Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. We'll be right back, folks.